To lay large sizes, Class C2 TES1 adhesive is recommended. This must be spread in one direction only, on the substrate, using a spatula with 15 mm round teeth or with 10 mm angled teeth, and on the back of the slab, using a spatula with 3 mm teeth. To ensure complete bonding and air escape, tap the slab with a professional battery-operated tile beater or rubber trowel. This operation must be performed starting from the center towards the edges. Proceed in the same way for the other slabs, taking care to maintain a gap of at least 3 mm between the slabs, using spacers. We recommend the use of leveling wedges to be fitted at the edges and at least every linear meter of the slab. For floor installation, once you have checked that the substrate is cured and level, you can start by spreading the adhesive on the slab, as already done for the wall covering. At the same time, or as the next step, the adhesive can be applied to the substrate. In this case, remember that the application should be done using a 15 mm round-toothed trowel, or one with 10 mm angled teeth, following the same direction previously followed on the back of the slab. Using a suction disc frame, position the slab on the adhesive bed. And tap the slab with the appropriate professional battery-operated tile beater or rubber trowel to facilitate the escape of air and ensure perfect bonding. This operation should be carried out starting from the center towards the edges. Proceed in the same way for the other slabs, taking care to maintain a gap of at least 3 mm between the slabs. We recommend the use of leveling wedges to be fitted at the edges and at least every linear meter of the slab. Use spacers and a slab handling tool